hell to smoke. Sometimes they feel cancer. Tina Turner be dancing like I'm their private dancer. But still in the light silhouette, the true romancer. That, I still get it down. Black, I still spit around. Like 16 shots and everybody pull out their clip, I still get around. No vest. Hope you wear it. Cause you know I'm like that nigga that be riding that chariot. Horses is on fire cause niggas cause I'm a lion. Beats is off their head, these tracks that I'm supplying. Should I be fine whether or not an independent? Every time I spit, no pad and no penmanship. It's off the brain. Nigga, I go insane. Be in all groups just like Calamity Jane. Blow fire, spit flames out the shit like propane. And y'all know, pyro, cause a nigga like me, I get psycho. Cousin of a lord of the underground. Nigga, I will come through and stand around. You see the cloud, nigga, I'm on cloud 9 right now. With a bottle in my hand, black in the left. Cause y'all niggas know I do it just like meth in a Wu-Tang. When I hang bang, up in the sky with it. Y'all niggas know I do or die with it. That's me cause I'm high in the clouds cause I'm tall. I do it all like Crystal Ball. Be on top in the shine. I don't groom, I don't grind, but I hustle. That's me. 504 down in New Orleans. Bourbon Street, that was me. Biting motherfuckers and shit and fights. I don't give a fuck, niggas, I was Cajun right. That's how I do it when I'm crunk to the music, because I got the balls to do it. A lot of people gather around because they in NC State. But y'all know, we like a cage lion trying to escape. Because the niggas know they dying, but they meeting their fate. Like it's Tomb Raider style, Doomsday style. I see that, and I don't even read a child. I sit back and I do it like knowledge. I'm a high school dropout, never went to college. But I still rhyme and I still spit. MC Hammer dancing like I'm too legit to quit. Full time like Jim Keller. I don't give a fuck, knock you down like Joe Frazier. I don't give a fuck if the phrase that pays you. But I still get it cause money I hustle. I do it on the double. I flex with no muscle.
Came through.